Have you ever wondered how apps predict stock prices, weather, or even your next word while typing? Welcome to the world of time series and LSTMs. Time series data is any data collected over time, like daily temperatures, stock prices, or website traffic. Unlike regular data, order matters. Yesterday affects today, and today influences tomorrow. Traditional machine learning models struggle with time dependencies. They treat each data point independently, ignoring patterns like trends, seasonality, or long-term relationships. This is where long short-term memory networks, or LSTMs, come in. They are a special type of recurrent neural network designed to remember information over long sequences. LSTMs use three key gates. Forget gate decides what to discard, input gate decides what new information to store, output gate decides what to pass forward. This allows them to capture both short-term and long-term patterns effectively. LSTMs power many real-world systems: stock market prediction, weather forecasting, speech recognition, demand forecasting in businesses, even AI chat systems. Today, LSTMs are often combined with attention mechanisms and even replaced in some cases by transformers. But for structured sequential data, LSTMs remain powerful and widely used. Time series tells the story of data over time, and LSTMs help us understand and predict that story.